The world runs on computer chips. These tiny components power everything from our smartphones to our cars. Two companies are locked in a fierce battle for dominance in this crucial industry, SMIC and Intel. SMIC, based in China, is a rising star in the chip-making world. Intel, an American giant, has long been the industry leader. Their competition is shaping the future of technology. This essay will explore the rivalry between SMIC and Intel. We'll examine their technological innovations, market influence, and strategic decisions. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of the global chip race. Before we dive deeper into the intense rivalry between SMIC and Intel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. By subscribing, you won't miss any updates on the latest tech battles, innovations, and market trends. Stay ahead of the curve with our in-depth analysis and engaging content. Now let's get back to the action. SMIC and Intel compete in many areas. Both companies design and manufacture processors. These processors are the brains of computers and other devices. The companies also compete for customers. They want to sell their chips to the biggest tech companies in the world. SMIC and Intel are both investing heavily in research and development. They're always looking for ways to make their chips faster, smaller, and more powerful. This competition benefits consumers, who enjoy increasingly advanced technology. Intel has traditionally held the edge in chip-making technology. The company invests billions of dollars in research each year. This has allowed Intel to produce some of the most advanced chips in the world. SMIC is rapidly catching up. The company has made significant strides in recent years. It is now producing chips that are competitive with some of Intel's offerings. Both companies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with chip technology. They are constantly developing new manufacturing processes and materials. This technological innovation is driving the industry forward. Intel still holds the largest share of the global chip market. The company has a long history of success. It has a strong brand reputation. However, SMIC is gaining ground quickly. The company is benefiting from strong growth in the Chinese market. It is also becoming increasingly competitive on price. The competition between these two companies is fierce. It is driving down prices and spurring innovation. This is good news for consumers who are benefiting from more powerful and affordable technology. Section 5. Global Reach, SMIC and Intel's expanding influence. Both SMIC and Intel are, well, global companies. They have operations and customers all over the world. Intel has a long history of global expansion. The company has factories and offices in many countries. SMIC is also expanding its global reach. The company is building new factories and forging partnerships with companies around the world. The global chip market is becoming increasingly competitive. Companies like SMIC and Intel are vying for market share in every corner of the globe. Section 6. Strategic Plays. How SMIC and Intel are maneuvering. SMIC and Intel are constantly making strategic moves. They are trying to outmaneuver each other in the marketplace. One key strategy for both companies has been to invest heavily in research and development. This has allowed them to stay ahead of the curve in terms of technology. Another important strategy has been to form partnerships with other companies. This has allowed them to expand their reach and gain access to new markets. The competition between SMIC and Intel is a complex chess match. Each company is constantly making moves and countermoves. Section 7. Analyzing the competition, a closer look. The competition between SMIC and Intel is good for the global economy. It is driving innovation and creating jobs. However, it is also creating some challenges. Governments around the world are concerned about the security of their supply chains. They are worried about becoming too reliant on a single company or country for their chips. The competition between SMIC and Intel is likely to continue for many years to come. It is a fascinating case study in global competition. Section 8. The Road Ahead. Predicting the future of SMIC and Intel. The future of the chip industry is uncertain. However, one thing is for sure. SMIC and Intel will continue to play a major role. Both companies are well positioned for continued growth. They have strong track records of innovation. They are also investing heavily in new technologies. The competition between these two companies is likely to intensify in the years to come. This will be good news for consumers, who will benefit from more powerful and affordable technology. Section 9. Conclusion: the chip showdown continues. The chip showdown between SMIC and Intel is a clash of titans. It is a battle between two of the world's leading technology companies. This competition is driving innovation and shaping the future of our technological world. It is a story of ambition, innovation, and global competition. As a consumer, you are a beneficiary of this rivalry. Enjoy the faster phones, more powerful computers, and incredible new technologies made possible by this competition. The chip showdown continues.